Good morning. Thank you for calling Golden Restaurant. This is Abdul Mujib speaking. How may I assist you today?
Yes, good afternoon. I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, I'll be happy to assist with you that. May I please have your full name for reservation, please?
My name is Rocky in Calao.
Could you spell the name for me, please?
Yes, it's RACKYRAKIINKALAW.
Thank you, Mr. Rocky. May I also have your contact number just in case we need to confirm or update your reservation?
Sure, my contact number is 0912345567.
Thank you for providing your contact details. Now, may I also know which specific date and time would you like to reserve the table?
I would like to reserve a table for tonight around 7 p.m. Do you have any vacancies?
Let me quick check our availability for our date and time. Yes, we do have available table for that time.
Oh, that's great.
May I know the total number of guests who will be joining you?
Just two of us.
Thank you. I'll reserve for a table that comfortably accommodates the two of you. Now, I also like to ask if you have any specific requests that would should prepare for. For example, do you have any guests have food allergy or dietary restrictions such as vegetarian, vegan, halal, or gluten-free meals?
Yes, me and my partner is a Muslim.
Thank you for informing us. I will make note of that our kitchen team can prepare food safety and accordingly. Do you have any seating preferences? For example, would you prefer indoor seating, outdoor seating, or table near window?
We would prefer indoor seating, please.
Noted. We will do our best to arrange that for you.
That would be great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Before I finalize your reservation, let me confirm the detail with you. Your reservation is under the name of Rocky in Calao with the contact number of 0912345567. Will you be dining with one guest on tonight, March 8th with 7 p.m.? Your request indoor seating, and we have noted that you and your partner is Muslim so that your dietary preferences is halal. Did I get everything correct?
Yes, that's all correct.
Great. Would you like to confirm your reservation, Mr. Rocky?
Yes, I would like to confirm my reservation, please.
Perfect. Your table reservation has been successfully booked. We kindly ask you to arrive 10 to 15 minutes before your reservation time so we can prepare our table. If you need to change or cancel reservation, please contact us at least few hours in advance.
Sure, I understand.
Thank you very much for choosing Golden Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcome you and your partner.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day and see you soon. Goodbye.